So hello everyone. So today I am going to share the detailed discussion about my project. And like in my previous video, I have shared what's my project gonna look like and what are my future features and all, and discuss about some in-depth things about my project. And now in this video, I'm gonna share what is the current status of my project, how much I have built already, and what part I'm gonna build next. And so let's see. So this is the website which is already deployed on Vercel, which is a free deployment app, and the backend is deployed it on Railway using Docker image. So that is my current website, and here this I'm run it locally. So yeah, let's see what is it. So basically this is a monitoring website which monitor the uh, uptime of any production grade application. So for this, what you need to do it is, this is the basic landing page of my website, and you can log in it. So yeah, I have already logged in this. You can also so basically I have like built login and authentication system already. This is the dashboard, and you can add your website and select the organization. In this website, we have feature of organization which will be discussed early next. So you can just create any website, add any website. So suppose we are adding youtube.com. If you want to monitor youtube.com, so you will just paste the YouTube URL, which is https youtube.com. Yeah, so this is the URL, and here we gonna paste it. And currently we have a feature of selecting the region, but this is not working. This is just static part. So in the future version I will make it dynamic. So like basically the worker is not running it currently, so you cannot see the uptime status. It is most part is static, but the like functionality of adding, creating, and basic CRUD is functional, so we can add this. So yeah, so actually what is happening, access is denied to the organization. Okay, so actually currently like I have already added this is my organization, and we can see the member. So currently I don't have any admin access, I am just a viewer. So to become admin I need to log out and log in with another email of mine. Yeah, so I log in, and now I'm gonna add it. So yeah, uh, as you can see, YouTube is added it, and currently the worker is not running, so it is marking it as a degraded status. So this is the detailed dashboard where you can see the uptime things, and you can also change the status, like you want to monitor it or not. You can pause it as well. So there is a API of pausing and all, and you can visit that website which you are monitoring by clicking this. And this is a detailed dashboard. And when I was developing this, I run the worker locally and monitor some of the website. Like this is my one of my personal portfolio website which I added. This is my website which is currently running. So yeah, this is the latency. You can see this is dynamic. This is also dynamic monitoring regions. Currently, this is like in on backend they are static, but this part is start but dynamic. And also this is the chart, like what is the latency chart, previous uptime parts, and region wise performance, and recent incident. If any recent incident happened, so it will show there. So this is basic part. And now we have incident monitoring. we can see all the incident which are happening in multiple websites. So locally, I created this incident locally by changing the databases, because I wanted to test it that. So I just manually change the down change the uptime to the downtime. And yeah, here we can see this downtime. And we can also see the current status. So yeah, this is the main functionality which is currently working. Notification part is not working. I have built AWS SES services integrated into it, but due to some credential issue, this is not live. So we gonna skip this, and we will add this in future as well. And yeah, this is the organization creation part. Like, you can create your own organization. Like, just let me create a live second. Yeah. So this organization will be created, and you can see, and you can also add the member and provide them an access, like add a member, and you can add it. So yeah, this is also part. And we have a setting section also, where you can change your profile, user, mobile number, and bio. And these are some upcoming feature which I will be gonna implementing. So yeah, this is the part which is currently live. And let me show you what I have built apart from this. So let's move on to the local screen. So this is the my local project which is running. Let's log in into it. So in the my previous video, I talk about AI chat feature, which is this. So I'm building this RAG-based chat application, and using Langchain and ChromaDB. And currently, I am using a local LLM, which is running on Google Colab. And I have created a script using ChatGPT for to run it locally. So you can run LLM locally and use it for temporary uses. Like, as you can see, my uh, LLM is running. So let's enter the chat. Uh, what is the major issue? So it will take some of more time, because the LLM is running locally and it is on different server of Google Colab. So to take time, as you can see in the console of this, like, the request is processing. It will take time 1 to 2 minutes. So meantime, uh, when the request is processing, let's discuss the what I have built by visiting some code. So like, I have RCA service, which is root cause analysis service, in which I have built two API endpoints. One is chat and one is upload log. So currently, in this app, I haven't added any upload log feature, but I will add it in future. Currently, I'm working on it. So you can upload your log, and this log will be gonna uh, like this log will be processed by Langchain JSON loader. And the JSON loader will load that log, and then we will create the Langchain document of it, and then we will do recursive text splitting. So like, we will take a data, we will divide it into the chunk, and for the chunking, I am using recursive splitting method, which will divide my big data into small chunks. And then after that, after splitting, what I'm doing is I'm storing that data into vector db by creating an embedding. So why am I storing data into vector db? So basically, in vector db, data is stored, and what it will do, when user put a query, like if they want any kind of data, so it will do a similarity search, which will try to find out uh, which part is similar to the user query, and return that part by analyzing that data. And it uses it store data in the form of vectors. And yeah, so that is a basic concept. uh, but there is lot of thing which we need to study about the vector DB. So generally, uh, on surface level, we just storing that data to retrieve data efficiently. So uh, we are storing that data into vector DB, and that will store that data. And now let's again go to the chat API. So after storing that data, this data will store into ChromaDB. And now let's move on to the user PD. Like here I put a request, so that request will go to that route, and it will search this query on the vector DB, and that vector DB provides some result, and we will take that result and we will provide that result to the LLM by adding some extra uh, prompt to it, and also we will pass our query user query to the LLM. So basically we are passing three things. One is prompt, another one is retrieve data from vector DB, and the third one is user query. So based on these three things, LLM will understand what is the situation, and it will find out the answer based on the given data and give to the user. So that is the basically flow of the RAG, retrieval augmented generation. So this is the RAG, and as you can see, I get the data, and also like LLM give the data in the form of markdown. So I am rendering the markdown correctly. So as you can see, what is the major issue? So it is saying that it is related to payment gateway and internal services, and like in the prompt I have mentioned that you need to answer these three things, and fourth one is optional. So it is giving me root cause analysis, evidence, and fix. So yeah, that is my current feature which is working. And yeah, so that is all about it. And in the further videos I will improve that non-working feature and share the video about it. So thanks for watching.